Welcome back, nail cousin, to another freaking video. Today, we're going to do the lazy girl method as per usual. But anyways, if you're new here, hey, I'm Mika. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I do nails. Stuff with nails, mainly the lazy girl method, But hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're old, hey girl, hey cousin, what you doing? How you been? What you been doing and how you been? Comment down below and let me know. But anyways, I already got my nail tips already sized out. Of course, I'm using the BT Art Box extra long ballerina. And I just put some base coat in the nails per usual with those little stars. And I'm just pushing them in that uncured base coat. And now we're going to go ahead and go in with this polygel and just put that all over this nail. We're not going to put these nails on one by one, because what happened was I did all of the nails, like what you're seeing, the design, the polygel and all that. I did all the nails, and then I came back hours later and put them on my nails. So I'm not sure if I forgot to press record or if I just missed that clip, But anyways, girl, how you doing? How you been? Just catching up with you guys. How was your Valentine's Day? What did you get? What did you get your spouse? Where did you guys go? What did you guys do? I want to know. Let me know. Because Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays, But we didn't really celebrate it, and that's cool, that's perfectly fine. But I must say, my girlfriend surprised me with this, like a scrapbook that she made, and my God, I'm back with gloves. Okay, you see how that nail had fell off? So I came back with gloves, y'all, because it just becomes sticky. So yeah, back with the gloves. But anyways, yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys did for Valentine's Day. Yeah, I would really like to know. This nail right here, we're just using the white Macart polygel, and this is just going to be a solid white nail. So in the next clip, I had got some little line, Design Perfection, Kiss Design Perfection outlines, from the dollar store. Honey, they were a little high. I would have been better off getting them off of Amazon, getting a little bit more, because I only got 2 sheets and they were like $5, I'm not sure. But what I did was put the little line on top of the nail, and then once it's straight on top of the nail where I want it to be, which is my first time doing this. I'm doing this on camera with y'all for the first time as usual. But yeah, I flipped the nail over, and now I'm going to do the polygel, the white at the tip, and I'm going to use the pink for the nail bed. So with the next nail that's coming up, it is just going to be encapsulated nail. Gonna put some base gel uncured and go ahead and add our stars and hearts into that uncured base gel. And then once we go ahead and have those placed where we need them to be, go ahead, flash cure it, and then go ahead and put a coat of base gel on top to encapsulate, and then go ahead and cure it, and then go ahead and put in your poly gel, the color of choice that you would like. And I'm going in with that glitter pink. That glitter pink is very, very soft from Ohuhu, and you know, I just couldn't catch a grip on how to work this poly gel because it was just so freaking soft, and it just kept sticking to my brush, and I kept putting base coat on it, and I kept like making sure that my brush was moisturized in alcohol solution. But hey, I got through it. The nail looks perfect, honey. So yes, go ahead and catch these vibes. So with this nail right here, I just want to say, do not do what I am about to do. Don't do it. Nothing really happened when I did it, but just per warning, don't do it, because something might happen if you do it. Like, do not do this. Do not apply your base coat and then try to encapsulate once you have already applied your poly gel at the tip. Like, it worked, kind of, sort of, because most of the glitters stayed into place. But at the same time, some of my glitters did come out. So I would say, go ahead, go in with your base coat first. Apply your glitters or sequences or whatever the hell. Apply that, flash cure it. Go in with another base coat to encapsulate it. And then go in with your poly gel. Don't do what I'm doing. I don't know why I did that. I think I did this because I forgot to put in my glitters before I applied my poly gel, and at the last minute I was just like, oh heck, let me apply some glitters, you know, because with my nail sets I write down everything, like pinky glitter nail with long pointy tip. Like, I write down every single nail set. I have an entire book of nail sets that I have coming out to you guys. So I don't know, I must didn't read my notes when I did this nail, but hey. Now, as you guys see, I am trying an ombre for the first time on camera with you guys. But I will say that, you know, I'll wait until the clip comes. But I did try the ombre. You know, it's a hit and a miss with this. You know, practice makes perfect. Like, practice makes perfect. And this is just telling me that I need to practice more when it comes to ombre. I don't have it down, so I need to practice. So you guys, that means a video is going to come up with me doing ombre because we need to practice. You feel me? Okay, so this is how my ombre is looking. It's a miss. I hit it and I missed it. I hit it and I completely missed it. But I did do one off camera because I wanted to see if I could do it. So, you see my little hands here? So, this is the nail that I did off of camera. To me, it looks okay. But practice makes perfect. This is the nail. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this ombre that I did. So I'm back hours later, and now all of the nails are applied on my fingers, and I am going to go ahead and cleanse the top and the underside of all of the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my side walls, which they don't need much cleaning up. Just taking a 180 grit file, cleaning up my side walls and cleaning up the free edge on all of the nails. Once I'm done with that, I am going to go in with a buffing block and buff the top of all of the nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the nails one more time to get all of the debris off the nails, and then we're going to go in with Bling. So I noticed that there was some excess poly gel, or maybe the nail was overlapping on my cuticle area. So I'm just taking this cuticle nipper and I'm just going to nip that excess off, and that is going to give it a more polished, professional, smooth, finished look. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so it's bling time. This is the pattern that I'm gonna try to do on this finger. It's gonna turn out so cute. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, child. Alright, you guys, so the nails are done, but we are going to clean our gems off with some cuticle, with some alcohol, so they can go ahead and shine beautifully like they are supposed to. Boom. There they are, cousin. Check them out. Don't they look so cute? Oh my gosh. My French wasn't that good, so I had to cover it up, but hey. If you like this set, go ahead and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.